Are you still looking for a way to set up a well-compacted ads? Maybe for your business, for your blog, to get more followers, to get more likes on your videos? Worry no more, you are at the right spot. Before you scroll, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to do this. Follow me. Before I get started, I'll be using my system for this. I love using system because it will give me a very wide screen, like a bigger screen. You can still do it on phone or tablet, anyone. So I'll open my Facebook. I don't want to go to Meta Ads Manager. So I want to follow everything from Facebook so that it will be very simple and straightforward. If you are following Facebook on, it will be very simple and straightforward to set up. But if you are following Meta Ads Center, you have to create a campaign. So I don't want to pass through all those things. I just want to do it straight. So I'm going to do this. This is my page. I'm a football fan, like Arsenal football fan, so I post on Arsenal, like everything about Arsenal. So right now, this page was created some months ago. Now I have 7,400 followers just by running ads once. I run ads once. Then as time goes on, I will teach you how to grow your page after running these ads. Then we have these navs. These are called navigations. So we have these pages, professional dashboard, and the ad center. If I show my professional dashboard, you will see that people are following every day by day. So content interaction, I don't want to show you this. Let's go straight to the point. So we are here. We have these ads. Though if you want to use the ads manager, you can follow it from here. It will open this page for you. But I don't really fancy this. So let's just check how it looks. This is how it looks. So I don't want to be passing through all this creating campaign, do this and do that. No, I don't want that. So I'll do everything here. How do you start? You can see all ads here. The one that you have been created is just this one. You can start creating a new one by clicking this advertise. So we have three options here. One, get started with automated ads. So this one means Facebook will help you to set up everything. What you have to do is just to provide them with what they want. Then you get what you are looking for. But this is not the best option. The second one is that we have the create new ads. So this one you are the one to set it from beginning, like by yourself. You do everything, you customize everything the way you want. Then the last one is the boost Facebook content. Which content are you boosting? Something like your video, your pictures, and other things. So for me, I love using the create new ad. So you select this. So if you don't have an ads running before, you wouldn't have all this set up, because I've been using this to run ads for a long time. So I have this video that I used before. So I'll start from beginning to show you step by step. We have goal and button. We have different types of ads that you can create. So if you click on change, you see we have get more calls. Apart from this automatic, we have get more calls, get more website visitors, blah blah blah. So depending on what you want to do, if you are a business owner or you are online vendor, you can use this. You can also use get more messages, or you grow your customer base. But this customer base, if you are online tutor, you teach online, teach people what to do. So this way you go. Then if you are trying to grow traffic to your website, like redirecting people from Facebook to your website, and you want to do what they call arbitrage. So this is what you do. You get more website visitors. Then you want to grow your page, as I did. You go with get more page likes. So now I want to show you the one that you can do by getting more page likes, because a lot of people would love to watch this. I know most people have been looking for how can I grow my Facebook page, how can I do this. So this one is the best choice for you. I select this, play save. So after selecting this, you have many options to select to. By default, this wouldn't be filled. So you can find an engaging title or description, something that when someone sees, the person will be moved to read it. You understand? There was a post I posted yesterday or the day before yesterday on my page. The first time I got 2k likes was yesterday because of the description of the post. And that post contained a link that linked to my website. So there was massive traffic yesterday. What did I do? I find something engaging. like something catchy, something that when people see they will love to read. Understand? I said some like after scoring 39 goals, Victor cannot be given the golden boot stuff. That's football terms. So that alone, like it will trigger people to follow up. So you put something more engaging, more catchy and engaging. Then you can either use picture or a video here if you want to. Or if you don't want to use all these things, you can select one of your posts. So by clicking this, you have many posts here. You see? So you can select anyone to run your ads. Then we move to advantage plus creative. Leave this one as it is. Don't click anything. Don't do anything here. Special ads category. Don't just select any category. If you check, we have the employment, like the category that you want to publish your ads to. Are you into entertainment, vlog, or anyone? You can select, but just leave it as it is. Okay, let me just show you what you to do. You see now, after owning this thing, you can see a lot of category here. Social issue, election, or politics. So to me, I will just leave it as it is. Then this is where the workings come. Like you can do something. The audience, because you have to target your audience very well. If you are looking for traffic to your website, I would recommend that you go with countries like Oman, Brazil, Nigeria as well. Don't go to all this Western world. They won't follow you. They won't do anything for you. You understand? So just go with Oman, Nigeria, and some other African countries or continent, anyone. So after setting your audience, you can go ahead to set other things. So you save. You can also choose the age. You can see it now. So from age 18 to 65, you'll be seeing these ads. What Facebook will do is that the algorithm will be showing these ads to people under the age of 18 to 65, and only from Nigeria and Oman. So you don't go out of this category or out of this location that you selected or out of this age. If you select only men, that means anybody that is a male will be able to see these ads, not female. Just take notes. Don't do all this mistake. This is where the most problem, like many people face challenges here. Some people will be running ads for traffic, then last they will keep spending their money without getting the traffic. And if your ads doesn't convert, like if people doesn't click, like people doesn't like your ads very well, you'll be spending higher. The more people like your website, your ads, the less you spend. But let's assume now your budget is to spend 2k a day. Then that morning time that I started running the ads, more people follow. You see that you spend something like 3 naira, 4 naira, 5 naira, 6 naira. But at a time, if people stop to follow us, they follow in the morning, your money will start increasing. Instead of spending 6 naira, you'll be spending something like 13, 15, 20 naira for one person, like, or any individual that click on your link or anything. So you have to set something meaningful and nice. So we move, forget about all these ones, leave these ones as it is. Then the duration. This is where most people make mistake. Some people will go and just leave the ads to run even when it is not converting. But on my own experience, what I noticed that if you want to run this ads, set your budget, like your daily budget, so that when the amount finish, Facebook will not run the ads again. But if you leave it like that, in a day they might spend 3,000 for you. Some days 5,000, 2,000, 1,000, depending on the number of people. So just imagine now, you wake up, you see less followers or less viewers, then your money is like they are taking much money. It will not make sense. So what Facebook does, if they see that you just put this money and leave it like that, and people are not coming in, so your money will keep increasing. Instead of spending 6 naira in one person, you are spending like 20, 30 naira on this thing. So your money will keep going. So don't do this mistake. Always have a budget. So you select this from this day to this day. That's the duration your ads will run. Don't always do this mistake of leaving your ads to run continuously. It will finish your money. I'm saying this with experience, you understand? Then always have your own budget. Before, you can run at 1,002, though it has been now I do all these things. But now I'm seeing 4,807, which is not making sense. So you don't need to do this. But I know if it's a new account, you have something like 1,005, 1,006 something, 2,000 with time. For this placement, leave this placement as it is. But what this does is that, you select where these ads will be showing. So if you are running for followers or for more followers to your Facebook page, I recommend you select only Facebook. Don't select Instagram and Messenger, because nobody will come from Messenger and follow you. Nobody will come from Instagram and follow you. So all these things doesn't work. What you have to do, focus on Facebook alone. But if you are running ads for your customers, like you need more customers, you are selling online, you can select other things. You understand? So depending on what you want to do, always be guided. This is where people find it so difficult to do, how to add funds. Some people just click on add fund. Then after clicking this, we have many options. We have debit or credit card, pay by USSD, pay by bank transfer, pay in Naira with Verve, Visa, and MasterCard. Then some people will be thinking, which one will work for me? How can I do this? How can I do that? All these things depend on your location. For me, I love using this last one, pay in Naira. Let's check what we have. So click on next. Open pay in Naira with Verve, Visa, and MasterCard. So let's click. So that means Facebook use this payment gateway. They call it PayU. You can search about them on your web browser. PayU. So this payment gateway now will help you to convert your Nigerian currency to dollar so that Facebook can deposit it for you. So that's exactly what it does. How do you make this payment? After clicking on continue, there will be a place for you to put your card details, and they'll send you OTP. Then you put your OTP and the payments will be successful. If they don't send it and you try it like 3-4 times, don't try it again. Please, I'm begging you, don't try it again. Just let it go. Try it with another card. So let's go back. So after adding your money will be showing here. But right now I have 0.00. Don't have any money available now. Then after filling all these things, there's nothing much again. Just click on publish. Your ads is good to go. You understand? It's good to go. Very simple. Stop going to ads manager. You'll be spending time, wasting your energy doing all those things. You'll be killing yourself there. Even after showing you all the things that you need to know, it's only one person that subscribed to my YouTube channel. One person follow me on TikTok. The same person follow me on Facebook. What else do you want? I beg, subscribe or you follow anyone. Do one.